Our next topic is causes of business risk. What are the causes because of which the business risk arises? The causes of business risk can be studied in four parts, that is natural causes, human causes, economic causes, and other causes. So first one is natural causes, the causes which are here because of the nature. These can be discussed in the various parts. Like first one is seasonal changes, the risk that arise due to changes in season, summer season, winter season, there may be storms, there may be floods because of change in season. So the risk arising due to that is categorized under seasonal changes. Then is geological changes, the changes the which take place in the womb of earth. Like there are always some changes that goes on in the womb of earth, like earthquake, and the losses, or you can say the damage done by the earthquake is also coming under this category. Then is other natural calamities, like there is some damage to the crop because of the lightning, or any other natural calamity which you have not predicted, that comes under the natural causes. That is basically the risk which arises due to the natural reasons. Then comes the human causes. You always see that there are so many individuals involved in the business, owners, employers, employees, customers, or your debtors and creditors, they all are involved in the business. So the risk the arising that is arising due to the human beings. So the various risks can be discussed under, like first one is dishonesty by the employees which are working in the organization. If they are not working with honesty, if they are not working with sincerity, they have started stealing some money, or you can say they are stealing some things in the business, then it will cause risk to the business. Then comes the dishonesty by the customers. If the customers are stealing some things, or if they are not making payments at a time, then it is the cause which it is the risk which is caused by the human causes due to the customers. Then is strikes and lockouts. Strikes and lockouts means if the suppose the workers are not happy with the policies of the managers or top level management, or if their working conditions are not satisfactory, or if they are not happy with any decision of the top level management, then they can go for the strikes and lockouts. It will also create a risk for the business. Then this working carelessly, the persons who are responsible for handling the machineries, if they are not working with care, then there may be some problems arising in the business. Then next one is economic causes. Economic causes can take place because of the changes in the market, and the following points come under this economic causes. The first one is change in fashion. That means if you are dealing in fashionable items, and if there is change in the fashion, then the inventory which is lying in your godowns, that will become useless. Then change in price, the unpredictable changes in prices will also lead to the risk to the business. Then is effect of competition. Any competitor which is there in the market may cause risk for the business, because it may be possible that your market share declines and your customers go for your competitor, then there will be decrease in demand of your products. Then is providing facilities to the consumers. If you are providing some facilities to the consumers, and there is some competitor who is providing some extra facility to your customers, and the customers go for your competitor, then it will also create a risk for your business. And then last one is the other causes. Other causes may, the first one is natural causes. The causes, there may be some natural wear tear to the machinery, or there may be some damage to the perishable things. Then you cannot avoid these damage, but it always there, so it will lead some risk to the business. Then is technical causes. The causes, the risk which arises to the business when the new machineries take place in the market, then your machineries with which you are working becomes outdated, then it will create loss to your business. Then is mechanical causes. Mechanical causes means sometimes there is some error, there is some defect in the machinery in itself, in the production of the machinery, and if you are using that defective machinery, the defect, that problem arise with your output also. So if any kind of this problem takes place, then your business will have to suffer a loss. Then is managerial causes. Managerial causes means the owners, the top management, the managers who are managing the business, it is the basis of any business. They are also human beings. If any problem arises with the any decision taken by the top management, or if there is any inefficiency on part of the top level management, if there is any inefficiency, or they have framed some policy which is not up to mark, then that will also create a loss to the business. So students, it was all about our first unit. Now our first unit is over. Now I will send you some tests and assignments which you are required to complete.